Have you ever caught anyone in the act?
Yes, so many guys.
What do you do?
We say just come and see what your husband is doing.
Today on Ask the Expert, we have someone who's nosier than your mohalle wali auntie.
अब करवा चौथ आया तो छत पे ले गई और उसी के वो बंदे को देख के अपना व्रत तोड़ दिया,
Business
उसी के
partner.
बिजनेस पार्टनर को। हमारे बंदे ने सारी फोटोग्राफी ले ली।
Oh my God. In this episode, we cover the most common cheating tactics. And of course, the biggest lies people tell before getting married.
Coming nowadays, extramarital किस इंडस्ट्री से आता है, कहाँ से आता है? फैशन, एविएशन।
So, if you're single, engaged, suspicious, or just here for the drama, this episode's for you. So, did you investigate your wife before getting married? Is that a personal question? So, what type of client comes to you generally? Is it mostly the parents or the people themselves or friends? What is the gender split also, I want to know.
When the matrimonial segment has started at that time, females were coming with their parents and coming to us and accordingly wanting that we should get an investigation about the male and his family. Right? We should know about that. दारू कितनी पी रहा है, लड़कियां तो नहीं है, कमाता सही है कि नहीं, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स देयर, फैमिली कैसी है, फैमिली की इक्वेशन कैसी है आपस में, राइट, ये कैसे लोग हैं. नाउ द सिनेरियो हैज कम, उल्टा हो गया. 80 to 90% मेल्स आर कमिंग टू गेट इट चेक फीमेल्स. फीमेल्स आर नॉट गोइंग कमिंग. नो, दे आर नॉट बॉदर्ड फॉर दैट.
Okay, but now men are coming to investigate women and their
women, because women's के right अच्छे, that is also been
law.
there in the law. Basically, females are supporting. That's all been over there.
Is infidelity and all these investigations and stuff more common in big metro cities in India, or are you seeing now more and more tier 2, tier 3 people also coming to you to seek your services, or is it mainly for the very wealthy, very high up people?
In tier 1 cities, if we discuss about the metro cities, right, it is more in Bangalore, Mumbai, and then in Delhi, right? But if you go to tier 2, tier 3 cities also, it is in small cities also, like Meerut, like Patna, like this thing also, because in Punjab also, the big Punjab is also there. So it is happening in over there, but they only want that, the wives only want that कि यार पैसा चाहिए अपने को बस, that's it, nothing more. तू जा, तू जो मर्जी खा, तू जो मर्जी पी, I want a money, मैनू पैसा चाहिए.
So what is the biggest thing that people lie about in a marriage setup? What are the major things that people hide?
Their involvements,
Okay.
first,
Other
their
relationships.
financials, they don't discuss, neither male or not females,
So
and medical also. Because everything on the back of their mind is कि इसने मेरे साथ कल को गड़बड़ करनी है. If your trust is not there, why you are going to get married? I am very clear. If your trust is not there, please don't go in the issues.
So if trust is there, then why to get a private investigation? Why
Dekho,
not just get married?
You are absolutely right, ma'am. Because you see, one thing which is very important been over there, trust they have to make them themselves. Basically, if they have some doubt, then they have to knock the door of the investigation company. Anything you have been hiding, it is not right. Because they want that लड़की बहुत प्यारी है, इससे शादी करनी है यार. अब कैसे शादी करनी है? तुम अपने फैक्ट्स तो बताओ. You will not disclose your facts to her. एक आदमी किसी ऐसी सिटी में रहता है, सिटी के कैसे पार्ट में रहता है, सपोज दिल्ली में इतने हैं, साउथ दिल्ली है, नॉर्थ दिल्ली है, वेस्ट दिल्ली है, ईस्ट दिल्ली है, एक्स प्लेस वाई से नीचे होगी, तो उस तरह से करते जाएंगे. कोई बंदा बताएगा ही नहीं कि ये हमारा घर है, ये हमारा कल्चर है, इससे यहाँ से मैंने स्कूलिंग की हुई है. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर, बिकॉज यू शुड प्रोड्यूस द फैक्ट्स टू द पार्टनर. यू हाइड इट. यू कम दैट मैं तो गुड़गांव में रहता हूँ, आई एम तो लिविंग इन गुड़गांव. सो व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट डज इट मीन दैट? वेयर योर फैमिली लिव्स? ठीक है, दे आर इन गाजियाबाद. ओके, वेयर दे आर बी लिविंग इन गाजियाबाद. When you go over there, you check everything, you find been over there कि बॉस ये तो इनका घर भी अपना नहीं है.
So is there a difference between arranged marriage and love marriage in terms of investigation? Do you find that people who are getting arranged marriage seek investigation more, or love marriage, or both?
If the families are coming, when the arranged marriages are been over there, the families are more coming.
Okay.
If the love marriages are coming bit over there, generally the families are only been asking the few things,
But
nothing more than
both
that.
come to you.
Both come to us.
Okay.
So lot of things have been
So
changed.
I have a question. You've obviously been into this industry for 40 years. Have you found that the nature or complexity of scams which people are running has changed since from that time till now? With
Lot of.
obviously the advent of technology and
lot.
everything.
Lot of.
How
Lot of.
so?
I tell you a very one case which I remember. The lady has come to us, right? And she said कि sir मैं शादी करने जा रही हूँ. Now you have to investigate about the boy because he goes to the overseas after a couple of months. Well, particularly he is going to the one city. I said okay, ठीक है जी, हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन करनी स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. ओवरसीज में जाता है एक जगह पर, वहाँ देखते हैं ही इज विद अदर फीमेल. एवरी टाइम ही गोज ओवर देयर, एवरी टाइम ही स्टेज विद हर, सपोर्टिंग हर financially, supporting her physically, everything he's been supporting that lady. Now we come to lady and we give her pictures, we give everything, we discuss with the lady. Mr. Puri, I am very happy. कहते I'm a bisexual.
भाई तो
कहते ultimately he will come to know. Ultimately he will come to know. Now I am relaxed. I know about it. अब मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है. अब मैं शादी भी करूँगी, इसके साथ भी रहूँगी, इसके बच्चे भी पैदा करूँगी और इसके दूसरे के साथ भी घूमूंगी और अपने रिलेशन अपने साथ भी बनाऊंगी. जो मेरे अपने बरादरी के लोग हैं उनके साथ रखूंगी. आई नेवर इमेजिन कि दीज काइंड ऑफ द केसेस कैन आल्सो कम टू अस.
If I want to assess whether a guy that I'm seeing is a possible cheater or liar, what is the first thing that I should look for?
You always install a GPS. So he should not come to know about that. You can buy the GPS, right, from anywhere. You can install in his car so that you should know about that, how much kilometer the person has gone, where the person has gone.
Yeah.
Ultimately, you herself can check it. You have not to appoint any detective.
Yeah. And in your experience, have you found a difference? How frequently are women cheating versus men?
The cases which are coming to me are different, and the studies which is coming are different. My experience, the cases which comes to me, generally males are cheating more. One person who was married, he had come to me, right, and he wanted that his wife to be investigated. I asked for undercover. Along with the surveillance, I asked for undercover. Because I always take more than 30, 40, 50 minutes to discuss with my client.
Sure.
And get each and everything from them. Then अपने दिमाग में बिठाते हैं अब क्या करना चाहिए, करना है काम तो कैसे करना है, नहीं तो नहीं करना. आई कम टू नो अबाउट दैट कि यार इसकी बीवी तो अभी जाना स्टार्ट हुई है इसके ऑफिस में कुछ टाइम से, राइट, और इसके बाहर चक्कर बहुत लगते हैं. ऑफिस में ही एक हमारा बंदा एज एन एम्प्लॉय बन के काम करेगा.
ओके,
राइट. अब करवा चौथ आया तो छत पे ले गई और उसी के वो बंदे को देख के अपना वर्थ तोड़ रही है, उसी के बिजनेस पार्टनर को. हमारे बंदे ने सारी फोटोग्राफी ले ली.
The undercover guy.
अंडरकवर सारी फोटो, अंडरकवर अंदर था, ऑफिस की छत पे हो रहा है. सर्विलेंस में हमें कुछ नहीं मिला अभी तक 3-4 दिन में. वो 4 दिन में मिलके हमने उससे बुलाया. देन आई शोन हिम एवरीथिंग. सो ही सेड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी सर. आई हायर्ड अ 3-4 इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंपनी. आई डिडंट गेट बिन ओवर देयर. 1 महीने का जॉब दिया था उसने मुझे एंड 1 महीने का पूरा पैसा देकर गया था. राइट. देन व्हाट हैज बीन हैपन, आप मेरा काम करते रहो. आई कॉल्ड हिम वन डे. आई सेड व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. बुलाया उसे ऑफिस में, उसके साथ बैठे, थोड़ा पर्सनल अटैचमेंट ली. देन आई कम टू नो अबाउट दैट कि इसके पास इतनी प्रॉपर्टीज़ है और इसके वाइफ ने इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चाइना में कराई हुई है और इसने वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पकड़ लिया था कि इसकी वाइफ के पास सारे प्रूफ हैं, तो अब ये उसके प्रूफ चाहता है. अब ही डजंट नो अबाउट दैट मेरी वाइफ के पास मेरे कितने प्रूफ हैं. कहता है जब आपके पास 50 प्रूफ से ऊपर हो जाए तब आप काम छोड़ देना. And that investigation lasts for 3 years, ma'am.
My God.
3 years it was last, and he has spent the money.
So did you investigate your wife before getting married? Is that a personal question?
I say yes.
What did you find in that?
I said nothing. It was perfectly all right because I married before my elder brother wedding.
Yeah.
He is not married, so I got married earlier. So, but I was very clear, यार beautiful लड़की है. She said I am having the lot of relationship. I said तेरा तो कोई relationship ही नहीं हो सकता, मैंने check कर ली. So lot of things have been over there. Okay. The life is such, you should see about that with whom you have been talking. What exactly she wants from you. What exactly she wants to convey. वो कैसी लड़की है. That is the thing. तो 91 में ही मैंने असेस कर लिया था.
I'm very happy.
God bless. I'm very happy
of course.
that I got a right partner.
So obviously you've had so much experience, right? Like how long does it take you to assess a person sitting in front of you?
Hardly 5-10 minutes, not more than that. But we generally take 50 minutes.
How do you exactly define an extramarital affair? Is it just he's meeting someone else, or
No,
he's...
if the person meets with the other opposite gender person more than 3-4 times in a week, right, and spending a quality time together, it means there is something somewhere. You see, if you will ask me, कि lot of this thing is coming nowadays, extramarital, किस इंडस्ट्री से आता है, कहाँ से आता है?
Yeah,
फैशन, एविएशन,
pilots.
aviation
Don't
industry,
don't date a
fashion
pilot.
industries, media, that is also been a part of it, right? So lot of this thing where the system is such, और जो organize करते हैं, wedding organizers, right? Yeah, it's coming to that. Person is having an affair, person is having into the relationship. रात को 2-2, 3-3 बजे तक busy. We are busy. ठीक है? What are you busy? Where are you busy? You don't have an answer. You don't have any party, you don't have any function. You have gone to one another person's house and you are spending a quality time with him or her, and you are saying that I am busy in the office work. हमारी यहाँ पर consultancy, हमारी discussion चल रही है. How can you find it out? That is the thing. यहाँ इंडस्ट्री से सबसे ज़्यादा चेक आते हैं. मीडिया को चेक कर लो. ये मीडिया की लड़की है, ये मीडिया का लड़का है, राइट? ये एविएशन का बंदा है, ये पायलट है, एयर होस्टेस है. हमें लगता है इसका 3-4 के साथ चक्कर है, ये चीज़ है, वो चीज़ है. लेओवर के लिए जाते हैं. Once they have been going to the layover, पता है यार 2-3 दिन आराम है, कोई चक्कर ही नहीं है. अब हमने किसी और सिटी में चले जाना है.
Have you ever caught anyone in the act?
Yes, so many guys.
What do you do?
Nothing. We have to inform, that's it. Yeah, we say just come and see what your husband is doing. Just see why he's enjoying the things now. Well, this lady is coming every day to the hotel, so you also stay in the same hotel and see.
Yeah. So do you think partners should have each other's phone passcode?
Yes, this phone is a big enemy if you are doing anything wrong. If you are right, absolutely right, first of all, you should share your password with the lady. And lady should share the password with the husband. So what is the problem? Boyfriend or husband, whatever. क्या problem है? तू देख ले भाई.
सारा history, internet history, ChatGPT searches.
सब आ जाएगा. वो ChatGPT से उड़ा भी देगा, वो भी आ जाएगा. वो भी मिल जाता है, वो भी तरीके हैं ना, मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ सारे.
You're the professional.
You see, everywhere you can get
There's
everything.
a footprint. Fingerprints तो रहते ही हैं.
Thank
This
you.
has been a pleasure. I feel that we've
Thanks a
learned
lot.
so much from you, and your insights will prove invaluable for our single audience, who's getting into marriage and doesn't know what to look out for. So looking forward to having you back on soon sometime, or speaking to your daughter as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching another episode of Ask the Expert. If you enjoyed this video, do be sure to hit subscribe, share this video with your friends, and leave in the comment section below what more questions you have for a private investigator for next time. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.